Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to animate the characters. These are some of the characters which I have created. So let us see how we can animate this. So in my previous video, this were the characters what I've created and I've showed you. So now a further next step, rather than using a normal character, how we can animate it and use in the slide. So let us see how we can do it. So I made some samples out of the character and we can recreate it. So for this one, you can see the eyes is blinking. The second one, you can see the eyes is spinning and the mustache color has been changed. And for this one, eyes is growing bigger. And for this one, the eyebrow is getting bigger and smaller. And the hair color is, changing. And for this one, the glass is tilting along with the lips. And here, the mouth is getting tilted, a small laugh effect. How we can do all this? So let us begin. So I'm just going to duplicate this, okay, and then I'm going to delete the effect now what I've done. So here I've done the white effect. So how are we going to do this? So just select these two, give a color pulse effect. Okay, now you can choose the color. So in the previous one I've used white. Now if you want red, you can use red, or orange, you can use orange. So now I used white, so let us try orange this time. Okay, so and in the animation pane, just going to give with previous so that it starts along with the presentation. So see how this is done. And if you want to do this repeatedly, so what you have to do is that you have to select these two, go to the effect options. Now here you can again choose your color, timing, just give the repeat option until next slide, 10. Okay, so I'm just going to give 10 option. So just keep repeating. You can just see, the eyes keep blinking like this, which will be a good effect. So this is the first one, and this is how I have done it. So if you want to keep on blinking your eyes or a nose or your eyebrow, you can do an option like this. Now for the second one, I'm going to just duplicate this one. I'm going to delete all the animations first. Here the effect was, the eyes is spinning and the color changed again with the color pulse effect. So how we do this? So first select the eyes. So first if it is 2, just combine this one, okay, group it and go to the spin effect, okay, with previous, go to the options, and you can even change the spinning, how full spin, half spin, you can do it counterclockwise, like that. The effects duration is fine, but I'm just going to give it 10. Okay, so the eyes keep rotating. Next is the mustache. So for this one again I've used the color pulse effect, and I've given this orange, it's red I believe. I'm going to give the orange color. Okay, so this is actually after previous, but in this case you have to wait until this 10 cycles gets repeated, and this should be with previous so that it comes at the same time. So let us see how this comes. So just keeps rotating for 10 times, and after that the mustache color gets changed to orange. So I think it's 5 or 6 but that was too fast, so you can just just give the duration a bit more. Maybe you can start with previous from the beginning only, so you can see the mustache change here only, color changed over here, and the eyes is repeating. So this is the same one what I've used here. And also there is another effect also which you can use for this. Instead of color pulse means it's just a blink. Here you can give the object color also, so it stays like that. Something give an orange color, and you can just see with previous, and you can just see here. Once you change the color to orange, it remains orange. This is object fill effect. Another one is the color pulse effects, wherein the orange appears and disappears at the same time, based on the duration. Now let us go to the third one. Here the effect for these two eyes. So let us just play it. Okay, so I'm just going to duplicate this copy of this, just delete the effects. Okay, so just I think the alignment lined up. Okay, and we're going to give the animation, and the animation is grow and shrink. Okay, so that's it with previous. So it's the eyes is bigger. So this is another small animation effect which I've used. So now let's go to this one. Here there is a lot of animation wherein the eyes is rotating, this color keeps changing. So let's take a copy of this, duplicate this slide, and I'm going to delete all the animations. Okay, so let's start with the pulse effect. Okay, this is a pulse effect what I've given with preview, and the duration I'm just going to make it bigger. And after that, the eye spin effect through the spin effect. This is after previous, but this is with previous, and select these two, go to the effects, and repeat 10. Okay, and along with this, select all the hair color and give the pulse effect, change the color to orange. Okay, and again this should be with previous. Okay, I'm going to give the duration a bit more higher slightly, and I'm going to go to the effect options, going to the text animation, this one, timing, again 10, not 5, 10. Okay, so let us see how this appears. Now you can see this animation keeps repeating until 10 rounds. But our pulse, the duration was very less, that's why the pulse, the hair effect went fast, and you can adjust accordingly. You can see it over from here. See, this one gets over here, another one it's until here. This is the spin effect actually. So you can adjust this by giving 20 or end of the slide, so it keeps on repeating. So this is how it is done. Now for this one, this is for the tilting effect for the specs and lips. So just duplicate this slide, just going to delete the effects what I've done before. Okay, so it's empty. Select this, select this, select this. Okay, this is the Theta effect. Okay, so just go to animation pane, with previous, again effect options, timing, repeat. that's it. Just play, and you can see the glass is tilting and the lips is tilting. So this is another animation effect you can try on. It's very simple. You can keep on trying the different animation options for this. These are some options which I played with. Okay, and for this one it's a mouth tilting actually. It's also the same effect, so just duplicate it, and I'm just going to delete the effect. So you have to select this and again give the Theta effect with previous. Go to the animation pane and again go to the effect option, go to the timing, go to make it 10 seconds, and duration make it fast, because then only that if you make it slow here, the mouth will be moving very slow, and it's hardly too difficult to make out the difference. So make it fast. Okay, and just click and just play. So see, you can see this one tilting 10 times. So these are some of the simple animations you can try on the characters, changing their appearance. So once you have this animation effect also to your character, the slide will look much more interactive and much more beautiful. So please try these slides. If you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any issues while creating this kind of animation, please let me know. I can help you out. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.